If there is a quantity difference,
Quantity difference. Okay, let's take the quantity difference with ME21. Create the new purchase order, and let's have here header information, purchase organization, group, and company. Currency, we need to maintain the first tab, that is the delivery or invoice tab, USD, default currency, and material, quantity 10, and price, plant is 700, storage is 700. So system has taken the last amount we have entered, 200 into 10, 2000. So we can post it and we can go for the MIGO. So here you can make the changes with the quantity. So for example, we need to give the reference of our purchase order created. We have just created, it is ending with 38. So go to the GR, and although we have created a purchase order of 10 quantity, but supplier has sent us two quantities for the time being, and we need to do a GR of two quantities. And for that, we will be giving here the GR, the reference of purchase order. Purchase order number is 38. Last two digits are 38. Enter, and it will show you the line item here, which will give you the quantity as 10. But how much we have received? 2. Where you can make the changes, go to the quantity tab, and here you can make the quantity as $2 units. Enter. Now you can just see the line item is having how much quantity? 2. So we need to check this line item, and then we need to post if it is fine. So it is saying that there is a deficit of purchase PO order currency. So that is just a warning message. We have a deficit of how much? 8 units. Okay, fine. So we can now go for the posting. Now we can display this document, and 2 into 200. So it will give you the accounting entry. Give here the reference of your material document number, which is 449. And we can go to the document information, and then 2 units we have to 400. System is going to debit the inventory account and credit the GRIS clearing account.
okay, then strictly that purchase order is changing.
What you are asking?
Now the purchase order quantity is changing straightly.
Yeah. Purchase order quantity we have changed here.
Okay.
So this information you can also view from your purchase order. It will have the update. You go back. This is the invoice. Actually, here I will take you to the purchase order. So we have purchase order number as we need to go back. So we can just go to the PO display ME23N, and then this is your last purchase order number 38. If you want to keep a check how much quantity we have received, how much invoicing we have done, so you can just see you ordered a quantity of 10 units at the rate of 200 per unit. Now you go to the header. In the header, you will have the status tab. You go to the status tab, it will give you the information that you have a purchase, you have a receipt of, you have a, first of all, purchase, you have a PO of 10 units. So 200 into 10, it is 2000. How much delivered? So 2 units we have received, and it is 400. So what is the pending units to be received? 8 units are yet to be received, and we have a price difference. So the 1600 yet to be the GR of 1600 is yet to be done. You can see here invoice amount, any invoice we have made so far, 0. So now we can go for the invoicing of 200 or 2 units we have received. And for that, we can go to the MIRO. Date is today's date. And we can give the reference of purchase order number 38. Give the reference of purchase order. So here it is saying that how much you want to do the IR. So I want to do the IR with same amount 400 and give the baseline date as today's date and check the accounting entry and then post. If all the things are fine, post. So this is your FI document. If you want to check this FI document, go to the or invoice document. So go to the invoice and check your FI document by clicking on the following document. So your vendor has been credited with amount 400 and GR has been debited with 400. Now we can just check this PO again. Go to the ME23 here. Give the reference of the purchase order. Now you can just see how much units of invoicing you have made. 2. What is the price? 400. So what is the balance amount which is yet to be received? What is the balance quantity which is yet to be received? And this is what we have done. Okay. So that is the information you will be able to get it from the purchase order in the header in the status tab.
Sometimes any return or something.
Yeah, return we can do and cancellation also we can do. So for example, this is the document you want to cancel. This 400 invoice you want to cancel. So for this, you go to the MIRO, you give your purchase order number. Here you click on this other invoice and give the invoice number. So this is the 400 invoice we have. Now you can just see there is a button for the reversal.
No reverse.
You click on the reversal, it will ask you for the reason. We can put it here any one reason from the list. We can create our own reason. Let's have here the reason as incorrect document date and date is, let's say the posting date is today's date and then enter. So it is saying that the document has been reversed, but the FI entry manually to be cleared. So please manually clear the FI document. So what we can do, we can go and check the vendor line item FBL1N. We have our vendor 300,101. For that, we can check a open item of 400. So here we have the open item of 400. So first it was credited. Now you can just see it is debited. If you want to check this document, check this document. So you can just see the invoicing we have made at 926 and the reversal we have made it at 928. But here if you want to check the document, we can select it and display. So you can just see this is a credit memo. And now we can document. This is the document we have where we have debited the vendor and we have credited the GRIR. So how you will come to know that against which invoice we have made this credit memo. So for that, if you just go to the detail, it will take a reference of this invoice number, which is 51004. You can just see this is 51004. If you double click on this, it will take you to that original invoice of 51004. Okay.
Yeah.
Now again we can go to the purchase order, check the update. Now you can just see no invoicing, 0. Okay.
Mm.
Now let's say this two quantities we have received wrongly. So we need to do the cancellation. So how we can do the cancellation? For that you go to the Migo. Here you give the reference of your purchase order number What you don't want to do, if you want to return these goods back to the vendor, for that we have the return delivery. If you want to do this cancellation of this GR you have made wrongly, then you can go for the cancellation. So we can go to the PO ME23N and we can go to the line item. Here we can go to the item overview and we have the PO history. In the PO history, it will show you first you have made a invoice of 400, then you reverse it. So this is your, the first one is your reversal document number, second is your invoice number. Okay, and you can just see here, this is the material document number 449, that is your GR. So what do? You give the reference of your 449 when you want to do the cancellation through transaction code MIGO. So here we can give the reference of 449 and we can select this item OK, click on check and we can go for the posting. So with this, system has cancelled your GR of two units and then we can check it. So go to the 450 document and then we can display. So we can go to the once again MIGO display. It will automatically take your latest document number 440 for 450, sorry, it is 450 and then we can go to the document information FI document. So here we have a reversal of, normally we have at the time of GR we have the inventory to GRIR clearing, but here you can just see it is creating your inventory and debiting your GRIR. It means we have made the reversal. This thing will also get updated in your purchase order. If you go back and check your purchase order again, once again we can go to the item detail and you can see we have made a GR through the material document 449, but we have made a reversal or the cancellation of this has been done through material document number 450, and ultimately how much GR and IR we have made against this purchase order 00. It will also show you this information in the header. So we are yet to receive 10 deliveries, or sorry, 10 units of goods we are yet to be received from the vendor. Okay, this is clear.
Thanks for watching this video. You can like, comment, share, also email us for more details. Thank you.